Australia has around 2.5 million businesses that generate $1.6 trillion revenue to the economy. Many of these organisations are incredibly complex, running loads of systems for thousands of users. One of these organisations is Enova. Enova has all types of applications: ERP, mobile apps, CRM, just to name a few. These systems are very complex and expensive to maintain, and John, their CIO, is responsible for managing everything. Some of these applications are legacy core systems that need an upgrade urgently, but John doesn't have time to rebuild them and keep the lights on for the whole ecosystem. John is under pressure and stressed. He needs to do more with less and quickly. Is it possible? Keep everything running, reduce costs, accelerate the delivery of a new app, and replace a core system all at the same time? John decided to call his friend Ted. The good news is that Ted said he knows a solution. John can use low code. Low code? For core systems? For mobile applications with thousands of users? He always heard that low code was for toy apps. Ted explained to John, there are many types of platforms under the label low code. Some are SaaS platforms with low code capabilities. They are good to extend functionalities of the same system, but not to build core systems. Others are for small, simple apps, but they are very limited. For core system and mission-critical solutions, John needs to use a robust enterprise software development platform. Ted told John about his experience with the OutSystems platform. He was in a similar situation as John, and using the OutSystems platform, they built a field service application for 4,500 users in only 3 weeks. Fully customized, it costs less than half of using .NET. The board was amazed with what they saw. Then, they felt confident enough to rebuild his core system for the industrial area on the cloud in only 10 months. Half a year of the cost of maintaining the 28-year-old core system paid the whole build cost. John is excited and confident. Now he can deliver what he needs on time and on budget. He can also sleep and take his wife for dinner. John called Ted's OutSystems partner, Phoenix DX. They are coming to the office tomorrow. They have the best OutSystems team in Australia, and he knows they will deliver what they promised. That's what Phoenix DX does every day. Help IT leaders to thrive in a changing world by transforming their digital capability for a fraction of the time and cost of traditional software development.